Good morning, students. We were reading chapter number 4, Grandpa Tickles a Tiger. In the previous video, we have read how the grandfather discovered a tiger cub, Timothy, how he took care of him, and about his friends, Toto, the monkey, and the puppy. Now, we will start reading of next part on page number 31. So, let's get started. One of the Timothy's favorite amusement was to stalk anyone. Amusement means activities which gives us pleasure, happiness. Stalk means to follow someone quietly. Who would play with him, and so when I came to live with grandfather, I became one of the tiger's favorites. He was by this time the size of a full grown retriever. A retriever means a proper grown animal. And when I took him out for walks, people on the road would give us a wide berth. Give us a wide berth means not come close to us. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty keeping up with him. His favorite place in the house was drawing room, and he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa, reclining there with great dignity and snarling at anybody who tried to get him off. Here, reclining means lie down in a relaxed manner. Dignity means with honor and respect. Snarling means animals showing teeth or show anger. Get him off means try to make someone leave the place. So, Timothy फेवरेट पास टाइम था किसी के भी पीछे पीछे जाना जो भी उसके साथ खेलता था। पर जब नरेटर उसके घर रहने आया तो वो टाइगर का फेवरेट हो गया। तो इस बार वो एक फुल ग्रोन एनिमल बन चुका था और जब भी नरेटर उसको वॉक के लिए बाहर लेके जाता था तो आसपास के लोग उन्हें देख के डर जाते थे और नरेटर के लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता था उसकी चेन को पकड़े रखना। एट द हाउस उसकी फेवरेट प्लेस थी ड्राइंग रूम, जहाँ पे वो आराम से कंफर्टेबली सोफ़े पर लेटा रहता था और कोई भी उसको जब उठाने की कोशिश करता था तो वो उसको एंगर शो करता था, आवाज़ें निकालता था। When Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew steadily less friendly. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal away. Steal away means to move away, to stalk a cat. Sometimes at night, we would hear frenzied cackling. Frenzied cackling means a very loud noise from the poultry house. And in the morning, there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. Timothy had to be chained up more often. And finally, when he began to stalk Mahmoud the cook about the house with what looked like villainous intent. Villainous intent means harmful intentions. Grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to a zoo. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow, 200 miles away, reserving a first class compartment. Reserving means to book. Compartment means a chamber for himself and Timothy. No one would share a compartment with them. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well fed and fairly civilized tiger. Here, well fed means well nourished and fairly civilized means well mannered. So, when Timothy 6 months का हुआ तो उसमें एक चेंज आनी स्टार्ट हो गई, वो लेस फ्रेंडली हो गया सबसे। And whenever narrator took him for a walk, he tried to go away to catch a cat. Sometimes at night पोल्ट्री हाउस से लाउड नॉइज़ आती थी और मॉर्निंग में जब नरेटर और उसका ग्रैंडफादर देखते थे तो फेदर्स जो है वेरांडे में इधर उधर बिखरे होते थे। शायद पोल्ट्री हाउस के डोमेस्टिकेटेड बर्ड्स लाइक चिकन्स तिमोथी खा जाता था। उसके बाद तिमोथी को अक्सर बांध के रखा जाने लगा। फाइनली जब उसने महमूद कुक को एक परेशान किया, उसको मारने की कोशिश की, देन ग्रैंडफादर डिसाइडेड कि अब उसको ज़ू में छोड़ के आना पड़ेगा एंड द नियरेस्ट ज़ू वॉज एट लखनऊ। उसके लिए स्पेशल कंपार्टमेंट रिज़र्व किया गया और किसी ने भी उनके साथ कंपार्टमेंट शेयर नहीं किया। ज़ू अथॉरिटीज़ वहाँ के जो मेंबर्स थे वो बहुत ही हैप्पी थे क्योंकि उन्हें एक वेल मैनर्ड, वेल बिहेव्ड, वेल नरिश्ड टाइगर मिला था, तो दे वर हैप्पी। About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when he returned to Dera. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. Interned means to put someone in a cage. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner. Crouched means to lie close to the ground with the legs bent. Full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. Magnificent means wonderful, where striped means long narrow band of different colors. Here coat means skin. Hello, Timothy, said grandfather and climbing the railing with ease. Here railing means a fence around a park that is made of metal bars. He put his arm through the bars of the cage. The tiger approached the bars. Approached means to came near to somebody and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ear, and whenever he growled, smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. Here, stroked means hit someone. Tickled means lightly touches someone. Growled means make sounds in anger. Smacked means clapped. After 6 months, जब नरेटर के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स अपने किसी रिलेटिव्स के घर लखनऊ में गए थे तो ग्रैंडफादर को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई कि वो तिमोथी को जाके देखें कि वो क्या कर रहा है। सो नरेटर तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ गया नहीं था, तो बट उसको सब पता था कि वहाँ पे क्या हुआ। जब नरेटर के ग्रैंडफादर ज़ू में पहुँचे तो वो सीधा तिमोथी के केज की तरफ चले गए और वहाँ पे उन्होंने देखा कि तिमोथी एक कॉर्नर में बैठा हुआ है और वो एक फुल ग्रोन एनिमल यानी टाइगर बन चुका है एंड उसकी स्किन के ऊपर ब्लैक लाइंस थी। ग्रैंडफादर ने ज़ू में पहुँचते ही उसको कहा, हेलो तिमोथी। वो आराम से रेलिंग के ऊपर चढ़ गए और अपनी दोनों आर्म्स को केज के अंदर रख दिया। टाइगर भी ग्रैंडफादर के पास आ गया। ग्रैंडफादर उसके फोरहेड को हिट कर रहे थे, उसके ईयर्स को टिकल कर रहे थे। जब वो आवाज़ें निकालता था, गुस्सा होता था, तो ग्रैंडफादर हमेशा की तरह उसको मुंह से आवाज़ निकाल के चुप करवा देते थे। So students, we will read the rest part of this chapter in the next video. Thank you very much.